I run mine on a Pixel 2. I had a lot of problems with the Nexus 5 emulator, so I go with Pixel 2. Alright, this is my app. It starts out as a age verification tool. Put in my birthday, 10/21. Final edition should have the slashes already included. I'm still working out the math to verify the age. I'm over 21, so hit enter, and I'm at the welcome page. The welcome page will have a spinner for beer stuff, which is not yet populated. Collection of my favorite recipes, also not yet populated. An alcohol by volume calculator, which is operational. I've got prompts to enter the 1.3 XXX for thousandths, and we'll go with 1.093, the original gravity of the brew that I got going right now. Don't know what the final gravity is, so I'll go with something generic. 1.017. Okay, calculate, and I'll have 9.98% alcohol by volume in my barrel aged stout. It'll actually be a little higher because there is some bourbon added for flavoring. Let's go back to my specific gravity adjustment, also operational. Put in my temperature at my time of reading. We'll say 76 degrees. And I observed 1.094. Yep. And correction is 1.092. It dropped to 1/1000ths. So that's operational too. The rest of it should be up and running in no time, but I wanted to give you a look at what I've got going now.